Back here at home, it was a hot and humid day in North Texas. Jeff Ray joins us with a look at the forecast. Jeff, we've got that tropical system to thank for all this humidity, right?
Yeah, we do. I mean, it pumped up so much moisture from the Gulf here into North Texas, even kicked off a few showers. We didn't have a whole lot of rain from it, but the cloud cover did help temperature-wise, at least. This is how it looked this morning. You see those low clouds that were draped over North Texas through the morning. They broke apart a little bit as the day went on, and you see those ceilings rise as well with the heat of the day. And a little bit more clearing there as you saw the last of the light of the day. But the clouds, they kept the temperatures a little bit on the low side. 91 was the high today. The typical high this time of year, by the way, is now 97 degrees. So any relief from those temperatures you can get in July, it is welcome. Though, of course, the humidity went nowhere. We still had feel-like temperatures in the upper 90s. Tomorrow, we're going to have temperatures in the low 90s, and the feel-like temperatures will again be in the upper 90s. So it'll be a very humid day, a lot of cloud cover, and we're talking about a 20% chance for some much appreciated July rain. Now, this is where Hurricane Hanna is right now with the 75-mile-per-hour winds. It's inland. Yes, the eyes of Texas watching the eye of Hanna over South Texas. It will be in Mexico by tomorrow morning, but when it came on shore, 90-mile-per-hour winds. They've had tornado warnings up to the north. They've had significant flooding and wind damage along the coast. And that eye, now that it's inland, will start to weaken the storm. There'll still be some tremendous rains with this. We have flash flood watches and flash flood warnings in red there at the tip of Texas. And, well, that swath of yellow that you see there, that's as much as 7 to maybe 10 inches of rain in some areas. And that heavy rain will stretch into Mexico as well, and along with it, a serious life-threatening flood situation. Now, the highest winds, they're still going on the coast, and they will continue for several more hours, even through the overnight hours. Everything you see in blue there, those are tropical force winds, so those are 45 to 65 mile-per-hour wind gusts briefly. All that will die down as we get towards morning tomorrow and start our Sunday. But believe it or not, you know what else happens on Sunday? Another hurricane hits another state, Hawaii. Only the third time in modern history, what is now a Category 2 becomes a Category 1. Hurricane Douglas, and it looks like it skirts the islands, and that is going to bring some wind damage and wind and wave damage as well. You see the radar? You see the rain that was going on today? We expect a little bit of that tomorrow. I'll show you on Futurecast. This is at 1:45, some pop-up shower activity, and there it goes on, still at 5. It's 20% chance, but because of that cloud cover, we're talking about highs in the low 90s. Low 90s will be the story for several days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and the rain chances, they're not great, but at least they're sticking around.